So my name is Keisha, and today I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida down here in zone 11, and I want to show you how to plant a cover crop. So I have these two new beds right here, these two new raised beds, and I do not plan on using them anytime soon for the actual purpose. So these particular beds I plan on planting into in the fall. So I want these to have my kale and my cabbages in here once the cooler is a loosely termed word down here in South Florida. It's on 11, but I do want to be able to use these beds. So my leafy green vegetables will need lots of nitrogen in order to produce, large leafy heads, big beautiful collard green leaves. And so I want to go ahead and start prepping my soil for that. I also do not want to have to worry about digging up a lot of weeds come October or November when I finally plant in my cooler season crops. So for the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant out some store-bought bean seeds. These are a legume, and legumes actually are a good crop because they help to fix your soil. So this way I won't worry about is using as much outside fertilizers for nitrogen in my soil. It will also help to prevent erosion with my soil, and again, so like I said, suppress weeds, as well as they are edible. I mean, my kids love black beans, but the cost of this package is like what, $1 or $2 for a ton of beans. I would have to grow thousands of beans to feed my family. This is so we may eat them, we may not. This really is just to kind of help keep my beds together. We probably will eat some just for the novelty of it. However, this is really as a cover crop that I would probably just end up chopping and dropping into my soil once the season ends. These beans were actually left sitting on my counter in this container with some water for about 2 days. They've actually already started to germinate, so hopefully they won't take long to actually begin to sprout. Black beans cannot be eaten green, so you have to allow them to dry all the way out completely in their pods, and then take the beans from the inside to eat it. Okay, so like that, my beans are all planted. I am going to add some mulch now, and then I don't have to worry about watering because it's already rain today. Okay, so that is it. Everything has been planted, mulch is down, and now I'm going to go inside and cool off because it is hot out here. If you have enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing our videos. We appreciate you so much. Have a great day. Whoop, it's hot. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.